Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to view your HSBC bank statements online in 2025. With the latest updates to HSBC's digital platform, managing your finances has never been easier or more secure. Whether you're a tech-savvy user or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will have you accessing your statements in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your HSBC online banking login details handy. This could be your username, password, and any two-factor authentication setup for added security. Head over to the HSBC website or open the HSBC mobile app. Both are fully optimized for 2025's user-friendly interface. Step 1. Log in to your account. Enter your credentials on the login page and complete any verification steps, like a one-time code sent to your phone. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard with a clean layout highlighting your accounts. Step 2. Navigate to the Statements or Accounts section. In 2025, HSBC has added quick links for easy access, so look for icons or menus labeled View Statements or Transaction History. Step 3. Select the specific account you want to review. If you have multiple accounts, like savings or credit cards, choose the one from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Pick your date range. You can select monthly statements, quarterly summaries, or even customize a specific period. HSBC's system now includes handy filters for better organization. Step 5. View or download your statement. Hit the View button to see it on screen, or download it as a PDF for your records. Remember, always check for any alerts about suspicious activity. And there you have it. You've successfully viewed your HSBC bank statement online. This process is not only quick but also helps you stay on top of your finances. If you're new to online banking, start with small steps like this. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.